Hello and welcome to my devlog for my new game called BuildingGame. Last week I started a new game and decided to log my development. This week I added a few more features and here's what I did. I started by adding a border around the cell when the user clicks on it. I expected to have a bunch of different menus depending on what is clicked. I couldn't find a good way to figure out if the user clicked on the UI or the grid. Good thing no one can see the code. Depending on what is on the selected cell, a different menu will be displayed. There will be a menu to build a house and a menu to destroy or repair a house. I heard that people love to see progress bar. One was added to display when the income will come in. A progress bar isn't awesome without adding some numbers around it. That is awesome. To add even more realism to the game, a jumping house animation was added. I also created a class to store the information to buy materials. I want to have multiple different buttons to buy materials. I also made sure the text on the screen were populated from this new definition class. Clean code, numbers stored in one place, feels good. When a player will have a lot of money, it'll be annoying to click multiple times to get material. Another button was created to buy materials. To make the map a bit more lively, I decided to create a few more assets. Why are the tiles not aligning? Ugh. Initially, some houses won't be owned by the player, which they could buy later when they have enough money. At first, I was thinking of adding a grayscale effect, but I could only find ways of doing it with shaders. I'm not ready to dive in the world of shaders yet. But I found out that I could just make the image a bit darker, much easier. I wanted to add a bit of dust particle when the house jumps, but I always have a hard time with particle system. There are so many variables. I think I can do it. I think I got something not too bad. Since RNGesus seems to be on my side today, I'll try to do something similar and add a particle system when the house is being constructed. Perfect. The game will have different size of house. Since the first house is currently a bit big, I think I'll have trouble finding ideas for bigger ones. I decided to go smaller instead. That'll work for now. I'll need to find a way to convert all these variables to a list. I plan on the game having different levels and with goals for each level. So, time to create some code. I'm not sure yet what type of goal the different level will have, so I'll stick with the basic. But the most important thing is the UI. I'll end this video with me showing you how I'll create a really good UI to show the different goals of a level. See you next time!